Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to navigate the QuickBooks Online dashboard and you want to know that how you can log into your account and how you can go to the dashboard, and I'm going to explain each and every part about the dashboard of QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First thing you have to do is open your browser, and you can see here I'm on my QuickBooks dashboard. That is look like here. You can find on the left side navigation section or the menu section. You can find the dashboard where you'll be able to find each and every analytics about your business that according to your current data that you have uploaded. Now, first thing you have to do is to go to the QuickBooks Online official website, that is quickbooks.intuit.com, where you will be able to start a 30 days free trial, or you can purchase any plan from here. There is 4 plans available that you can choose one of them from here, and you can enjoy the paid version of QuickBooks Online. There is different types of benefits, so you can compare each and every between each and every plan and see which one better suit you. So once you have done choosing, simply click on select plan and purchase them. Once you have purchased it, you can easily log into your account, or they will automatically redirect you to the dashboard. But if QuickBooks doesn't redirect you, then you can search for QuickBooks login, where you can find their online login, sign into your account, this URL. So you can simply click on this, where you will be able to log into your QuickBooks Online account. So select QuickBooks Online, then simply click on continue to sign in. Let me delete my dashboard. So it will automatically just redirect me because it has just saved the data of my login details. So it will ask for the email, and then you have to add the password. After that, you have to choose the country that choose the company that you have registered on QuickBooks. So after choosing that right company, you can find the dashboard here, where you can find the shortcut. First thing, you can find the shortcut, where you can find different types of options that usually you have used on your QuickBooks Online. So it is actually QuickBooks actually personalized each and every user experience according to their activities on the QuickBooks Online. So you can find the shortcuts that I have just recently used here. There's also different types of shortcut that you can navigate to. Also, here is the bank accounts, where you will be able to find all of your linked bank accounts, and you can also find those banks that are available for link with your QuickBooks Online according to your current location. Then here is the most important thing. This tab actually shows you how if you are on profit or on loss. So you can find the income and expenses from here that will compare that if you are on profit or on loss. And here you can also set the timeline for which you want to see the analytics. Now here is the cash flow trend that is kind of the flow chart here. So this is the graph chart that can help you to show you that the income and the expenses, so money in and money out. So how much money you have spent and how much money you gain. That means the money in, that is on the green color here. So you can see there is the different types of different. In June there is a tiny difference between these both here. So that means there is few profit. Now here is the expenses, where you can find all the expenses that you have made or making on your business yet. So you can find all of this from here. Like there is 3 categories where we have just expend our money. Also here you can find sales, that how much you have generated the sales for the last 30 days or 7 days or this month or last month or this quarter. You can select any timeline you want. Now here is the my apps, that is one is connected. So there is one app is connected that you can find. You can simply click on go to your apps, where you will be able to find each and every apps that you have connected. Now let's talk about this account receiving. So where you can find how much money you have just received. Currently you have how much money you have, then past 7 days how much money you have, and 8 to 14 days how much you had. So here you can find all the analytics about the money that you received, and here you can find the graph. And here's the accounts payable, that how much bill left yet that you have to pay, that you have added the analytics according to your bank transactions or any invoices. So once you have done, you can add their suppliers also here. So you can simply click on go to performance center, where you can find more detailed analytics. Now the work request, so this is actually for your teammates, where you can add the teammates and they can give you some service here that they can request for works also. Now here is the referral, that generate referral using the post invoice service. So you can also refer any entrepreneur or any other people if you want so. So also you can simply click on see all activity at the bottom right corner. When you can click on it, you can find audit log, where you can find the proper audit of your business. So as much as perfect data you have uploaded, you can find that the best audit report about your QuickBooks Online account. It is not just for your business, related to your business, it is also related to your account. That here you can find this sign in details here, and what I have done yet, all of this from here. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.